Oh, hey there. I'm so sorry I was late. I was attacked by a urine-covered rat. I pocketed it. You want to see? Don't you worry. If any ill-intentioned individual intends to approach us, I took karate lessons online. Where are you going? I slipped on urine. It's weird when it's not mine. You know what they say about Berlin? Big city, big personality, and I love Berlin. How about I love you? You know what Berlin's known for? Kebab. Here you go. You want both? What's over there? Oh, don't worry. It's not pepper spray. It's aphrodisiac.